But you're having a hard time because Satan give me a fight. After say Satan, I can't know it, you understand? All kind of bad things happen, you know, in the process. I get blind, I go deaf, and I'm having problem health-wise with all my foot and them thing of movement, you know what I mean? And I know it's just a suffering because this is how it is. But there was a thing that happened one time with the church that had me worried, you know, with the Anglican church. Because we had some priests there that was very unruly, and especially to the bishop. You know, I don't know what was their motive and things like that. And they had fuss with the bishop not only in Jamaica, but all in New York too. Right? So they decided to find the bishop and they went to link up with the Anglican church. And then took a part of the congregation from our church and took them up to the Anglican church, you know, and so that they go up there and worship. And they started advertising in the paper about inviting more members to come up to the Anglican church. So we protest against it. We go up there and demonstrate. One Sunday, and we went inside the church and demonstrated and a little fight started. You know? Okay. Anyway, the Anglican bishop, we was a part of their system. We usually visit with them and operate with them, work with them, you know, they call the church, which everyone of us as one people, you know, and they accept the Orthodox Church, the Anglican. So we are a part of them, you understand? We go every week and meet with them and discuss whatever and things like that. But the bishop called us and told us to come and apologize for the demonstration and things like that. But what caused the problem was that the Anglican minister, after the dissident, the priest, leave the church and went up with them, they were speaking bad things about our bishop, about the church. They don't know anything about the bishop and the church. You understand? And after we demonstrated, the bishop called a meeting and he asked us to apologize. I said to him, because I was in administration, not assistant, and I was the person who had to go and deal with him. I said to him, if your Anglican priest apologize, then we will apologize, because he started it. He was talking bad things about our bishop in the paper. And things that are not true lies. So I said to the Anglican bishop, we will apologize if your priest apologize, because they were the one who started it. We wasn't sending a bad name. The two priests leave the church. And I said to myself, look, there should be like a father who sees some children come to their home and he know that their father and their parents is down there. And you don't call the parents and discuss and say, what happened? Your kids are going wrong, you understand? They just take side with the kid, with the children, them and start to curse. So, we didn't see that right. So anyway, we just take it like that. He said, if you apologize, you write it in the Guinness Book of Records. But he didn't say if you don't, what they would do. But I already know in my mind what they can do. So, I just see it like that, man. Don't come to the fervor and the flesh. You come to dead. You come to this time and there, but we have to be doing good work. So I don't care about that. I don't know the relationship, what it is like now. You know? But the dissident them, they get the privilege to come back to the church. And they still, I don't think they're still operating in the right form. You see? I think it's the same kind of situation when the bishop was here. And their attitude, I think it's the same attitude taking place right now. So, I don't know. And I don't know what the bishop Thaddeus, will do about that. He gave them privilege to go and set up their own church. And they did that, but I know personally, so when they did that, they don't want to be the Holy Trinity, they want to be. So I don't know if the church is operating now. After close it up and they are down at Holy Trinity.